Oh my gosh.
Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how I built a grappling hook launcher from my RC car. I came up with this cool idea when my RC car got stuck at the wall it couldn't climb. I failed on the first step. I realized that the cable spool was mounted too high, which caused the rear of the car to lift up, so it couldn't climb the wall. So I made a small adjustment. When I succeed with this project, let's get started. Now, let's see if it works. Yes! This is a spool for the cable and we need to make sure it can spin freely when the hook is fired. So, I use a mechanism similar to a clock system to disconnect it from the gearbox. Finally, I finished it. This is probably the most complex project I ever done, and it took me around 50 hours to complete. The last step is to mount it onto my RC car and let's see if it actually works. My hook launcher can shoot very far, so to have the car climb a wall this high, I'm going to use a hack. Once I get tired of making it climb walls, I switching up and make it climb street.
Oh my god.
Oh no, the hook got stuck in the tree. How do I get it down now? Oh my god, after that phone, my car completely broke. It's time to let it rest now. I don't think this project was a complete success, so I will keep working to improve it. If you have any cool ideas, drop them in the comments. Maybe I will bring them to life in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next project.